Hello, hi.
Hello, how are
How
you?
good. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. What about
Good.
you?
Doing great. Yes. So my name is Anne and I'm from the United States. What is your name and where are you from?
I am Sultan and I'm originally from Pakistan, but
Mm-hmm.
I live in Saudi Arabia.
Ah, cool. In Saudi Arabia.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah. Cambly is pretty popular in Saudi
Yeah,
Arabia.
yeah, it is.
How can I help you today?
I just want to have a free conversation.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Sure. And
Mhm.
how did you or why are you in Saudi Arabia?
So, actually, I got a job over here
Hmm.
and I was hired as a teacher.
Hmm.
So, I came to Saudi Arabia like 3 years ago.
Okay. So do you speak Arabic?
No, I don't,
Hmm.
but I can read Arabic.
Wow. Okay, that's
Mhm.
cool. Yeah,
Right.
because it it looks really different for me. So,
Yeah, it's like a bit difficult language, you can say.
hmm, yeah,
Mhm.
very. But and when you teach, do you teach in English or do you teach in like a little bit of Arabic or how do you
No,
teach?
since it's an international school, so we have to speak
English.
English.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay. So you have plenty of practice at work.
that's right. So, where are you from?
I'm from United States, Ohio.
Hmm.
Yes,
I
so I'm
see.
from Ohio, but I live in Portugal. So
That's in Brazil?
close. They both speak Portuguese,
Hmm.
but it's right next to Spain.
I see.
Yeah.
It's a country, right?
Yes, yes, yeah.
Mm.
It's a very beautiful country. It's above Morocco,
Okay.
but an ocean. It's in Europe. It's in Europe.
Right,
Yeah.
right. So why did
So
you move to Portugal?
not well, not for work, but I moved here because I really enjoyed it here. So
Hmm.
it's a very beautiful country. There's a lot of people come to Portugal and they fall in love with it and they decide to move here. And I am one of them.
Oh,
So,
that's pretty cool.
yeah, they
And
have,
yes, please go on.
oh, yeah, they have lots of beaches and things
Hmm.
like that. So,
I see.
mhm.
Interesting. So how have you been doing with pandemic?
I've been okay with it. Been
Hmm.
okay. Yeah, trying to avoid it as much as I can.
Hmm.
But here in Portugal, a lot of people are kind of forgetting about the pandemic,
Right.
and I don't see as many masks on. And
Ah,
especially if they have the vaccine, they still don't wear the mask.
wow.
So yeah, but
So
it's an
yes.
order. We
Mhm.
have to, but yeah,
So life there has got back to normal.
almost,
Okay.
I would say. Yeah.
That's cool. I'm glad to hear that. So,
Mhm.
what do you do for a living apart from Camway teaching?
I just do Cambly.
Oh,
Yeah, it is my full-time job. Yeah. I really enjoy it on here, so I continue with it. I also do Cambly Kids. So I
hmm.
do Cambly
Okay,
Kids and I do Cambly Adults. And
that's perfect. So,
yeah,
do you think it's a substitute? It's a right substitute for a regular job?
right. Good question. In Portugal, yes.
Hmm.
In the United States, no. It
Okay.
depends on which country you're in. Like,
Hmm.
I think in the United States, you'll be working a lot more hours on Cambly.
Hmm.
But here in Portugal, it's the perfect job, I think. because the salary out here is quite low.
Okay.
For teachers, it's like five, maybe
Mhm.
$6 US dollars, whereas
Okay.
on here I'm getting paid twice than that, and
Right.
I get to choose my own schedule,
Mm-hmm.
and so it's awesome. I can work anywhere in the world and still, yeah.
Yeah, this is the best part of online teaching.
Hmm.
It's flexible and you can travel as well while teaching online. That's
Right.
perfect. That's perfect. So, how long have you been on Cambly?
On Cambly for about 2 years now. Well, actually, yeah, two
Wow,
years this month. So
great, great.
yeah,
That's a
I've
long time.
right, right. So
Mm-hmm.
it's nice because you form relationships on here. I have some regulars that I've been speaking to for like 2 years now, and it's an amazing experience.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, uh, I think that non-native speakers cannot teach on Cambly, or maybe they should have near native spoken. Only
Mhm.
in that case they can teach. Otherwise, I love to teach on Cambly. So,
Right. Yeah.
yeah.
I think it
Because
would
here,
be.
yes,
Mhm.
please.
Oh yeah, they do have some people on here
Mhm.
that are non-native speakers.
Right.
So,
So the best part is here you just need to have a free conversation or casual conversation with your students.
hmm,
You don't need to teach them like regular teaching, which we do in schools. So it's
right.
different here.
Yeah, but it's definitely doable. I mean, you have the experience, especially in Saudi Arabia.
Mhm.
It's they. I mean, it's great. The teaching jobs out in Saudi Arabia are really really nice.
Yeah,
Um, and the salary is way bigger,
right.
especially than Portugal.
Hmm.
So, um, but with that background, it is a very good background for online teaching. I mean, there's a lot of platforms to choose from that pay more than Cambly.
Hmm.
And I like Cambly because I've never had a problem with the administration and behind Cambly. They're really great. So
Right, right.
very easygoing. It's a very young company too. They're like, oh hey, how's it going?
Hmm.
So it's a nice
That's
company.
good. Actually, recently, I applied for this teaching job online on one
Yeah.
of the English
Mm-hmm.
teaching company, which is Ingo.
Angu, yeah, the
Yeah,
Japanese one. It's an
yeah.
yeah.
So I have been
Mhm.
teaching on Ingo for last 3 months.
Ah, so you're on Angu.
Yeah, I am.
Nice, nice,
So have
nice.
you taught there?
No, 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 I
Hmm.
haven't. But I use a lot of Angu materials. We use the
Oh,
daily news a lot. So
right, right.
yeah.
But the thing is that the hourly rates are very low on Ingo.
Yeah.
Please excuse me for a second.
Uh-huh. Of course.
Yeah. So sorry, my cat wanted to go outside. So
Oh, that's great. Yeah, I love cats. What color is your cat?
gray and white.
Gray and white. Is it a kitten? Does it sound
Yes,
like
4 months old. So,
Oh, 4 months old. Okay, because I can tell by I've had cats in the past, and I can tell that
wonderful.
it's a kitten by
Right.
the little screeching. Oh,
I
that's
see.
so cute. And that's nice that you can put her outside as well.
Yeah, she wanted to go outside from the room.
Oh, from the room.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Right.
Cats are insane. I used to have a cat and she
Hmm.
would just run in the background sometimes. So when teaching, you probably know this by now from teaching on Angu, you have to like control your cat
Yes.
everywhere, make sure that she's not running in behind, jumping in the screen.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Because she actually loves to sit on laptop whenever, and especially it happens a lot whenever we are watching movies or something or using laptops. She comes and sits on the
It's
laptop.
so funny. Like they
Yeah,
just sit there with like no care at all. Yeah.
exactly. Yeah. So
Is
what?
this your,
Yes,
I'm
please
sorry.
go
Is this
ahead.
your first, is this your first cat?
Yes.
Ah, okay.
Previously, when I was in Pakistan, we had some stray cats. They used to come
Mm-hmm.
to our home, eat, and leave, but we
Mm-hmm.
never like kept cats before. It's the
Mm-hmm.
first time. Although, I love to keep pets. I had
Mm-hmm.
parrots, rooster, pigeons, rabbits, and so many things.
Really? Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
So this is the first time here in Saudi Arabia that I have kept a pet, like
Ah,
cat.
okay. Right, right. It's a different experience for sure.
Yes, it is. And before I was like very scared that who is going to take care of it because they need a lot of care.
Yes.
So,
Mm-hmm.
but
That's nice.
now I am like I've got used to it.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Right, right.
Mhm.
You get used to it over the years and yeah. But it's over the months, especially a
Mhm.
4 month kitten, it's a lot. Yeah. I had one and it's a lot of work. A lot of work. But
Yes, yes.
mm.
So, do you still have pets?
No, I don't. Yeah, I don't anymore. But I would like to in the future again.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just a situation right now. So,
Mhm.
but I mean, how is it living in Saudi Arabia compared to Pakistan? Is it a little different, especially with the cultures?
Yes, it's different, and life in Saudi Arabia is more relaxed. It's good
Mm-hmm.
living, more peaceful,
Mm-hmm.
cleaner than Pakistan.
Mm-hmm.
So I like living over here. It's cool.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. And the food? Do you like the food?
So we have like almost the same food,
Oh, okay.
and there are some subtle changes, and
Mm-hmm.
and the names obviously are different, but
Okay.
like the popular dish over here is called kapsa or faham, and this is
Right.
actually a combination of chicken and rice.
Mm-hmm.
So back in Pakistan, we also had the same dish, which is called biryani. So
Biryani. Yes,
yeah,
of course. A
have
beautiful dish.
have you
Yeah.
eaten it?
Yes. It's a lot of it's very popular in United States.
Oh,
Biryani
really?
rice. Yeah. Oh
Hmm.
yeah. Indian, Nepalese, Pakistani, Bangladesh food is very, very popular.
Okay,
Very, very
great.
popular. But
So I can see we don't have time. So it was
oh,
pleasure
okay.
talking to you, Anne.
Yeah. All
Okay,
right. Nice
thank
to
you.
meet you, Sultan. Thank you for
Okay, bye.
calling and hope to
Bye.
speak to you soon. Bye bye.
Bye.